Okay, so I don't even really know where to start with this. I just thought of a ton of information at work and over the last few days or whatever. So basically, we've been talking about something big gonna happen on 9/23. September. It's 9/23, September 23rd. If you do the Roman calendar, it could be November 23rd, which is 11/23. Just throwing that out there. But also, in other countries, they write the date as 23-9, so it's 239. 239 is the 52nd prime, 1776, plus 239 is 2015. So this year will be the 239th year of the United States. Most people think the Declaration of Independence was signed on July 4th, but it was actually completely signed, or fully signed, I guess, on August 2nd, which is the 214th day of the year. 214 is Valentine's, but if you go from August 2nd to September 23rd, it's 52 days. The Queen's reign started on 2/6 of 1952. There's tons of stuff. The Pope is coming to America on 9/23, maybe 9/24. It's not really for sure which day it is, but 9/23 is the 266th day. Pope Francis is the 266th Pope. And like I said, the list goes on. But what's really interesting, and I can't believe, maybe other people talked about it. I don't think I've seen it. I was just thinking about it at work, so we have 9/23 and then 23/9. But if you take 9/23 and you just mirror it, we've done this multiple times with how many numbers? 9/23, and then backwards it's 329. 329. 329 is the 88th day of the year. So that is why, I mean, I can't believe it. It actually goes together with the 88s. And we've been seeing 88s like crazy. So I was just kind of messing around with numbers here. So 9/23 of 2014, if you add 329 days, it comes to 8/18 of 2015. And if you take the Queen's birthday and you go to 8/18, it's 119 days, or backwards 9/11. And I've talked about how she's associated with 9/11 tons of times. There's tons of stuff. This is the 111th day. September 11th is 111 days left until the end of the year. I mean, it's just all super connected. So look, 329, the 88th day of the year. If you add 329 days to it, it takes you to the February 21st, which is the 52nd day of the year. 221, the mirror of 122, just like Golden State, like I just talked about in the last video. And if you subtract 329 days from 329, it's May 4th, 5/4, 54. Love, Valentine's, all kinds of stuff. Talked about that. So anyway, I took 329 and I went to 9/23 then, so the mirrors. And it's 178 days. Also, 5 months, 25 days. 52/25, the mirrors. 52/25 goes along with all of this. So it gets better here. So 178 days is 89 plus 89 days. And remember, Queen Elizabeth is 89 years old. And all of this seems to come back to her. Let's see here if I can find it. Well, yep. So here we go. 89 years old. And then 421, 26, just all kinds of 26, 52 around her. But, so check this out. 329 plus 89 days is 626, kind of like the mirrors, right? 626. And just to show you here, 626 to 923 is 89 days. So like Queen's 89, she's surrounded by 26 and 62 and 52 as well. Like it's just they're all together for whatever the reason. But remember, I just made a video about the Ramona Quimby whatever video being flagged, and it all led up to 626. They showed me that for a reason. I really feel that way. I was supposed to see this. This date is very significant. It's the halfway point between the two mirrors of this big number that's been shown a lot. And it's also happens to be 89 days in the middle. So, and that's the queen is 89. But 626, just kind of interesting things here. 626 plus 262 equals 888. But if you just do the mirror, 626 plus 626, it is 1252. Go figure. But you know what else is 1252? 923 plus 329. So September 23rd, March 29th, 88th day of the year, 266th day of the year. That also equals 1252. What are the odds of that? Not very good. Here I fixed it. I had a 3 in there, but 626 plus 626, 1252, 923 plus its meter 329, 1252. And 52 is what it all seems to lead back to. Also, from the Queen's birthday to 626, it's 66 days. You know, kind of like 2 6s, 6 and 6, that's 2 6s. And then you got 626. So, I mean, 2 6s and 2 6s again. That's some crazy stuff. I mean, it's just ridiculous. That's so planned. Also, it's 2 months, 5 days is 66 days. The mirror of 52. Also, if you take 626 and you add 62 days to it, it takes you to 827. 827 is the 239th day of the year. So, I mean, ridiculous. So I went to Obama's. This is Obama's 49th birthday. He was 49. 49, big significant number. You add 626 days to it, it takes you to the Queen's birthday. Give me a break. Also, 626 days, if you look over here, it's 89 weeks and 3 days. I mean, what are the odds that it's 89 weeks? And everything's about 89 now with the Queen. And I talked about before how 62 and 26, the mirrors, if you add them, 62 plus 26 is 88. So 1962 plus 26, 88 years. Or 1988. So another thing I noticed, probably going to get a lot of flack for it if people watch this video, but I mean, King James, I was thinking of King James from basketball, LeBron James. King James, though, adds to 89, right? So just like the Queen's 89th birthday, 89. Anyway, King James, this is the guy, the Bible guy, King James Bible from 1611, the authorized King James Bible of 1611. Interesting to me that I don't know what the actual date was, what the actual day was, but 1611, I guess, if you just go from Obama's birthday to Obama's birthday, 1611 to 2015 is 404 years, kind of like 44 if you take out the 0. 44 is, Obama is the 44th president. Also, he was known as King James the Sixth and King James the First, 6 and 1. And Obama was born in 1961. So like I said, I don't know what it all means. Not trying to offend anybody, but I mean, just think about it. If you type in King James 6 and 1, because James 6 and 1, it comes to 194. Now 194 is a really significant number dealing with the 923. Because Valentine's Day until 827, the 239th day, is 194 days. Also, the day that the Pope became the Pope, Pope Francis, to 923 is 924 days. And I talked about how the day before and whatever. But there's more to it. I'm going to actually just make a separate video because it starts getting more off topic into something new, but it still kind of connects to this. So I'm just going to end this video here, and then I'm going to start the other one off kind of where I left off from here. Otherwise, I'm going to have like a 50-minute video or, just a super long video. Trying to shorten it up and get them a little more on topic. So anyway, have a great one. See ya on the next video.